In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a chat on WhatsApp web. If your chats feel cluttered or you want to tidy up a conversation without removing the contact or group itself, clearing a chat is a quick, safe way to reset the message history. This won't block anyone or remove the chat thread from your list. It simply wipes the messages from that conversation so you can start fresh. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official WhatsApp website. Make sure you're on the legitimate web.whatsapp.com page before you sign in. You'll see a large QR code on the screen, and in some regions, you may also see an option to log in using your phone number. If you're using the QR method, open WhatsApp on your phone and use the Linked Devices option to scan the code displayed in your browser. If you choose to sign in with your number, follow the prompts to verify. Once that's done, you'll be logged in and your recent chats will appear on the left. Click the individual or group conversation you want to clear. This step is important because the clear option applies to the chat you have open. Keep in mind that clearing a chat removes the messages inside it, but keeps the conversation entry so you can continue messaging the same person or group afterward. With the chat open, look to the top right corner of the conversation window. Depending on your interface, you'll see either a three-dot menu icon or a small downward arrow. Click that to open the menu. From the drop-down, choose Clear Chat. You're not deleting the chat entirely, you're simply clearing its contents. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Here, you'll see an option to keep starred messages. Starred messages are ones you've marked as important, and this toggle lets you keep them while clearing everything else. Decide what's right for you. If you leave the option off, all messages in the chat will be removed. If you turn it on, only the non-starred messages will be cleared. Remember that clearing removes media and text from the conversation view. Files you've already downloaded to your computer won't be affected. When you're ready, click Clear Chat to finalize. The window will refresh and the conversation will be empty, ready for new messages. That's all there is to it. Clearing chats regularly can help keep your workspace organized, reduce visual noise, and make it easier to focus on active conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on WhatsApp Web.